The design of planet Earth. A round ball, suspended in a non-gravity atmosphere. Mankind has been walking the Earth for thousands of years, always searching for the answers, or the magic bullet that will explain everything. The answer was always right in front of him. The greatest minds are trying to explain their reality with an equation. So let's try and understand their way of thinking. So this is hypothetical. Let's suppose you can put 100,000 chairs around the planet, let's say 10,000 miles from Earth. Put the greatest minds past and present in each chair. They are all observing a round ball rotating in a non-gravity atmosphere, with 7 billion people inside. Their goal is to explain this with a simple equation, using numbers. This is absolutely absurd. The question is there an equation to understand this? How can I say this? Stupid or incompetent? Planet Earth is a blueprint. A dimensional blueprint that uses colors with trillions of thin black lines inside all the strange colors. What they are actually observing from the outside of planet Earth is a dimensional book. It is two-part information. The clouds that hover over the planet is just one part information. The floor of the planet is the other part information. When you combine the two parts, it will become dimensional data. The planet tells trillions of stories using colors to create images of people. Let's dive into the images on your screen. The elephant. Today's image technology will allow mankind to get a better understanding of the data sown inside the planet. And they now have drones that can be outfitted with advanced image technology. In this image is a very large image of an animal embedded into the side of this mountain that can be located in Iceland. As you hover at a high altitude, you will be able to see the image of the elephant. As you slowly approach this type of data, it will change. Any way you approach this type of data, it will turn into a different type of data. The planet uses colors to create information. It is in two parts. The colors will be one part data, and the mountain itself will be the other part information. You have to view both parts at the same time because it is dimensional information. What is actually occurring is the planet uses colors to create images of people to tell stories about its past. The planet sows the data over everything. Example: if you launch a missile into the side of this mountain, as soon as the dust clears, so will the information. The data will be different. The reason will be you are inside a design that was built. If you split the planet in half like an apple, as you observe both halves, it will be data. You see, you are born inside information. Humans are part of the information. This is what confuses your astrophysicist. The planet stores the information into the floor of the planet also, but it is all on angles, and the data overlaps the data next to it. All the data will be images of people sewn into the design of the planet. This new image technology man has created will allow them to understand the design of everything. The data is sewn into the entire design of Earth. It is everything. You are actually walking inside a master dimensional blueprint, and you are part of it. The generation with the correct advanced dimensional image technology will be able to release all the data sewn into the planet. Dimensionally. I have been observing your scientists for many decades. Their job is to study anything that occupies space. Since there is no empty space, this means everything is information. So in closing, I will say the only empty space I have located will be in the minds of every astrophysicist living inside your planet in this year of the Lord, 2024.